Hey guys, it's Clay here from Kickin It Country UK, and welcome to our first tutorial for our brand new YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give us a like so you can also get some notifications every time we release a new tutorial. Today we're going to be doing the first tutorial for the channel. That's going to include Jerusalema. We had a couple of requests after we've posted our first take on Jerusalema that was incredibly well received when it came to all the views we got. We got over 1 million views on this. And we recently posted up a slightly sort of different version of Jerusalema. We called it Jerusalema 2.0, but today we're going to do some basic steps. Let's get into it. So the best thing about the Jerusalema dance is it works on a 4 count, any sort of 4 count song. So you can do it to an Afrobeat song, you can do it to a country song that works to a 4-beat count. So anything along those lines, this song will work quite well and is really, really easy to pick up. To get started, the first thing you do, this is one of the few dances that you always start on your left foot. A lot of the country line dancing we do, a lot of the songs, they start on your right foot. But with this one in particular, it will start on the left foot as well. So very simply, what you're going to do is you're going to start on a 4 count with your left foot. So it's basically going to start 1, 2, 3, 4. You're then going to move it onto your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've done that, you're then going to move into the second part of the song, or the next move of the dance. You're going to then go into your single steps, which is going to be just singulars, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll do it from the top. Your first 4 steps on the left: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're then going to go into your singles: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, once you've done that, there's a quick transition where you're going to march forward for the next 4 steps. So it's going to look something like this. See the quick transition? I'll do it from the side. So you're on your right foot already from when you finished the last move. Quick transition. That's how you're going to move it on. So it'll go from the right foot, you're going to transition onto your left, and you're going to march forward. 2, 3, 4. And while you're moving forward, you're also going to transition into a quarter turn. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to do a quick transition. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you're facing the wall to your left. Okay. So we'll go from the top with your first 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're then going to go into your quick singular steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into your quick transition. 1, 2, 3, 4 with your quarter turn. Okay. I'll move back here just to make sure you can see the steps. So from the top again, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into your singulars. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're then going to quick transition. 1, 2, 3, 4 with your quarter turns. You're now facing the wall to your left. The next part of the move is you're going to now we're going to keep it very basic. Don't worry about turns and twists and things like that. Get used to the dance. Get used to the basic steps. Once you know the basic steps of the dance, you can then start experimenting and doing little twists and turns and things like that to make it a bit more interesting. But we'll stick with the basics for now. So once you're facing the wall to your left, you're now going to do a grapevine to the left, but you're going to tap your left foot first. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're then going to move backwards. So it's going to move same tap, but on your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from the start again, you've now turned. You've now marched forward with a quarter turn to the left wall. You're now going to go to the left, tap, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to move backwards. Tap, 2, 3, 4. That's it. End of dance. You're then going to start from the top again. So from the top, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 with your left. On your right, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's then going to be singulars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to have your quick change where your right foot comes back, left foot goes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're now facing the wall to your left side again. Then you're going to move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to move backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. End of dance, okay? So from the top again, just to run it through so you can see how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right. Into your singulars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick change from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning to the left. Then to the left side, you're going to do your grapevine with your tap. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to move backwards. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. End of dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into your singulars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap to come backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, on your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. On your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Singulars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick change over from right through to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a turn to the next wall to your left. Tap with your left to grapevine to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. End of dance. Hopefully that's given you some sort of an idea. So keep it basic. Please be sure to leave us some comments in the section below. Let us know if this was helpful. And of course, as always, any requests on dance tutorials and any specific dances you want to learn, please let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.